Oh, good afternoon. My name is Patricia Smith, and my project is called The Effects of Coconut Oil on Mentha Piperita Growth. Mentha piperita is a scientific name for peppermint. Peppermint has many benefits. It's used in medicine. It helps to fight bacterial infections. It's also known to help with depression-related anxiety, menstrual cramps, and many more. It's used in food. It's one of the most single ingredient teas ever sold, and it's also used in candies and other foods. It's known to have antioxidant and antitumoral actions. Coconut, which is made from coconut, has many health benefits and uses. It's used in cosmetics for makeup as makeup removers and many more. It's used in cooking because it has it's made up of very good fatty acids and can help with cholesterol and many more. It's effective in protection from the sun, and it also helps with eczema or other inflammations and brain functions. In this experiment, we compared hydroponics versus soil. Hydroponics has many more pros than cons does with soil versus soil. Hydroponics is more efficient in the way that it uses less water. The setup is healthier. It helps to reduce the chance of diseases because disease can hide in the soil and can affect the plants and grow inside of it, which can make someone sick. But with hydroponics, it's easier to find it. It's also easier to control bugs and pests, and no weeds are able to grow, which means more of the nutrients will go only to the plant. In this experiment, there were 4 groups. My control group, which was group 1, which had no oil, group 2, which had 10% oil, group 3, which had 20% oil, and group 4, which had 30% oil. The results of my data can be seen in this chart. The pH level had had stayed the same throughout mostly trial 2 and 3. In trial 1, it had a very big decrease in group 2 to 4. The mass was relatively the same in trial 2 and in trial 1, group 1 to 3 had a difference in weight, but 3 and 4 had the same mass. And the conclusion of this project is that the pH levels were not constant, probably due to the pH level of measurements from the meter not being accurate. The masses of the plants were mostly constant throughout the experiment. The plants did not experience any growth, which was probably due to the growth method being flawed. More trials will be done using soil to compare results. Alternate plants will be used to see whether the growth method can work with this, and various concentrations of oil will be used. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.